So we are at my new listing at 1222 Carter Road in Decatur. This is actually in the Midway Woods subdivision, which is a really great neighborhood right outside the city line, so you get all the benefits of location without the high taxes. This particular home, the first thing you're going to notice when you come in is this amazing centralized public spaces. So we have this special bonus room that's perfect for an office, a reading nook. It could even be a music room. And then right off of there is this beautiful dining room with its original built-ins, which are incredibly charming. Open into this beautiful kitchen that's been fully renovated with rich dark cabinetry, beautiful countertops, and stainless appliances. Now we're in the primary suite, which has a beautiful view of the backyard. It has a gorgeous bathroom with double vanities with extra storage, a separate large shower, and 2 wonderful closets. In addition to the owner's suite, there are 2 secondary bedrooms to make this a true 3-2. So we're in one of my very favorite rooms. It's the bedroom that faces the front of the house, and it's full of windows, and it has the cutest fireplace here. So super charming room, perfect for a bedroom, or it makes an amazing office. So now we're entering into this amazing den. This is such a large room, and it's beautiful because it covers the whole back portion of the house, has double French doors going out into the backyard for perfect party flow. There's room for a big sectional to be able to watch TV. There's even room to have a table, or you could set up a desk. It's really got an incredible amount of space here. So right off of the den, we have this lovely patio and an area going out into this backyard. As you go past, it is almost an acre, and there's room for pool, there's room for garden, play set. In addition to that, you have a double car attached carport and a garage that can be used as a storage shed or for a car.